Login failed on Qapital App Fix. You open the Qapital app to check your savings goals or automated transfers and suddenly, login failed. It's annoying, but don't worry. Most people get this wrong and assume their account is locked, but the real fix is often quick and simple. First, check your internet connection. Qapital needs a secure and steady network to sync your financial data. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, switch to mobile data or turn off your phone. Many users find that this alone fixes the problem instantly. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Qapital, and hit Update. Outdated versions can't always communicate with Qapital's updated servers, leading to failed logins. If that doesn't help, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Qapital Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes your data and removes old files that might be causing the issue. Still not working? Double check your credentials. If you recently changed your password or linked a new bank account, your old credentials may not work anymore. Enter your details manually instead of using autofill, or tap Forgot Password to reset your login information. Here's something most people overlook. Qapital sometimes performs security maintenance that temporarily affects logins. When that happens, just wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. So next time you see login failed on Qapital, don't panic. Check your internet, update your app, clear your cache, and verify your credentials. In just a few quick steps, you'll be back managing your goals, automating your savings, and building your financial future one smart decision at a time.